Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change your WhatsApp phone number. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to change your WhatsApp phone number. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your WhatsApp application. After open this WhatsApp application, you need to click these setting icons. After click over setting icon, before jump over or changing the phone number, I will suggest you to take a backup. So it might be some many issues, so you can restore your chat list from your backup section. So we're going to click this chat, and then we're going to click here chat backup, and we're going to click here backup now. So my one is iPhone, it is already added iCloud. So all this chat conversation is going to be backup in my iCloud, so later on I can restore if I had any issue. If you run this Android, it will be obviously backup to your Gmail account, so you can recover your WhatsApp chat through your Gmail account. Anyway, we're going to go back, and now let me share with you how you can change your WhatsApp phone number. So what you have to do, you need to click this account, and then you need to click here change number. And then here you're going to see some notification warning or some information. Use change number to migrate your account information, groups and setting from your current phone number to a new phone number. You can't undo this change. Also, it's saying the process confirmed that your new number can receive SMS or calls, and tap next to verify that number. So we're going to click here next, and then here is your old country code and phone number. So you have to choose the old country wherever you are. So I am right now in Saudi Arabia, so I'm just keep as it is, and then I'm going to type here my mobile number. So this is my mobile number, Saudi Arabia, and then I'm going to change it to new phone number. So this is down is your new country code and phone number. So I'm going to choose here my new country code, which is Bangladesh, and then I'm going to type it here my mobile number. So this is my mobile number, and then I'm going to click here next. After done, it will give you are about to change your phone number from this to that. Your group will be automatically notified. You can also notify your contact about your new number. So you can also notify your contact, even your group, they knows you have changed your number. So you're going to click here notify contact. You can choose here all contact or contact I have chats with, or you can choose custom. Change your number and send a notification, and then click here done, and it's ready to go. So within this simple way, you can easily change WhatsApp phone number in your WhatsApp. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.